In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar on your PlayStation account. So this is very easy to do, and the first thing you have to do is go to the PlayStation website and then go to my PlayStation over here. This will bring you over to your account, to your profile, and here you can also go to the settings of your account. As you can see, I don't have a avatar yet. Then go to account settings. Now I will add the avatar in these settings. You can do that over here when you go to profile. This will bring you over to your profile settings, and as you can see, this is my avatar. So if I want to edit it, just hit edit and I can select a category or just all. So I select racing, for example, then select the one you like. So I select this one, hit yes, and now the avatar will be set to this avatar. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.